Hey guys, Rick with Rallysport Direct here, and welcome back to another edition of What's in the Box. Here we've got the Greddy Counterweight shift knob. We've got the package right here. Let's go ahead, open it up so we can take a look at it. Alright, first I want to show you guys the shift knob itself. Now you can see that here. Now the color is actually what they call black chrome, and you can see that it's not really light, it's not shiny, but it is reflective, and I really like that. I think it looks really good in the vehicle. Next thing I wanted to show you guys on this, and the most unique feature, was the weight, and that's why they call it the counterweight knob. It weighs 13.5 ounces, so it's really heavy. You might be wondering, why do I want to stick a very heavy shift knob on top of my lever? Well, the reason for that is it actually aids in the shifting. It makes the shift feel a lot more precise, and it just feels good when you're rowing through the gears. It almost guides the shift lever. It's actually pretty cool when you have that installed. Now this does come with 3 inserts. You have the choice between black, silver, and gray. Got the silver right here, and of course you can see the Greddy logo, shift pattern 1 through 5 plus reverse. Got the black one right here, and then the gray. Now I actually really like the way these look when they're inserted on the top here. Now they're just stuck on with sticky tape, but it's very sticky, so make sure that you have this installed on the car how you want it to be, and then install the sticker where you want that to be, because once you install that, it's very hard to take it off, and you'll ruin that sticker trying to take that off. So, alright, so the only other thing about this that I wanted to mention was the fact that it does get pretty hot in the summer, and it does get pretty cold in the winter, but as long as you're aware of that fact, it's really not too bad, and I think the performance benefits far outweigh any negatives that this knob will ever have. Overall, this is going to be great for anybody looking to improve the feel of their shifter. It's a great knob. Check it out. It's all the time I've got for you tonight, guys. Please remember to check back later for more editions of What's in the Box.
Rallysportdirect.com